Welcome to 2018 SEMA show. I'm standing in the Evercoat booth where we have just won the 2018 New Product Award, the industry-changing Optex body filler. Evercoat has taken the guesswork out of body filler. You will open your can, it will be a pink body filler. When catalyzed properly and it's ready to sand, it will be green in color. This is the best sanding body filler on the market today, with an additional 1 minute of work time compared to conventional products and fillers as well as glazes. With this product, it will sand the same whether it's been 10 minutes or 10 days. Evercoat has figured out how to work with work time, with the industry changing, whether it be silicone bronze welds, aluminum, boron steel, even aluminum that everybody's challenged with. With this eco resin, it will activate 20 to 30 degrees cooler than petroleum products, so with that aluminum and thinner metals on today's vehicles, less of a chance of it warping your panels. For more information, always feel free to go to evercoat.com.